Today is mod day. Another new mod has arrived. Without wasting any time, I've been super excited to open this. So this is yet another one of those mods from Temu. I decided to try it and see. The other stuff that I ordered was quite quality. I also thank you for the guys that have commented in regards to which exhaust muffler to use. But okay, there's two little things. The first thing I think is really dope. A little keychain. For those of you that know, I have the remove before flight keychain, but this one I think just rounds out the fact that I really love JDM. A nice HKS keychain. And then the main mod that we are doing today is inside of this box, a brand new one, and this one is a sick purple. As you know, the 1400 has this small little old crusty steering wheel, and when I went to go fix some of the issues on the Bucky, the guy who fixed it actually ended up breaking the centering. So for me, I just thought it's quite ideal to replace the one on the 1400, and I'm also going to get a Nissan sticker for the center cap. I'll run the Momo one for now, but it's just a bit better to have a bigger steering wheel. But like I said, I'm going to put on the purple ring around the OMP, and I'll put the black ring on the purple steering wheel. But for us to do that, we have to take it off. So let's get to doing that. So something I only noticed now is the steering wheel that comes from Temu. They actually give you the Allen key and then also the wiring for your hooter. But my 1400's hooter doesn't work on this. It works on this little button over there. So yeah, let's take off this one quick. Obviously you can see these bolts are not as tight as the ones in the Ford. So I will be tightening them very decently, because I've had it where they have come loose while I'm driving, and that is not ideal because I don't want to drive without a steering wheel. This is obviously going a lot faster. And the hub kit that I have on here on the 1400 is just the plain old hub Boss hub kit. Works absolutely perfect. Oh, there's screw took my Allen key. For those in the comments down below who are watching, I don't have anything to do with the steering wheel, so if any of you guys want it, let me know if you are willing to pay for courier, but then I'll send this steering wheel to you for free. You just pay the courier fee. I am going to reuse the Momo center cap though, so sorry, you'll be getting the plain black, but I'm going to be reusing the Momo one. I just think it looks better, and with the purple it's going to look sick. Alrighty, Momo cap is in. Let's put it on. Oh, I'm losing my stuff. What am I doing, lad? Few of you guys have been enjoying my recent discovery of speaking in strange languages. Not languages, I've been speaking English, but just with funny accents, lads. I just need to figure this out. What did I do just now? Sometimes it amazes me how I forget things. Okay, like that. It came out so easily, why doesn't it go in as easily? So far it's looking sick. Okay, I got the new steering wheel on the 1400. It actually looks pretty sick, and this is just inspiring me to actually get the adapter plates made for the wheels for the TEs. But this is the final product, guys. I think it looks sick. It is quite a bit bigger than the old one. Let me just show you quick in comparison. It's basically the inner ring of the new steering wheel is the size of the old one. So yes, like I said, I'm going to be just giving this away because I have no use for it anymore. So if there's any of you that are interested in grabbing this steering wheel for your project, let me know. Like I said, we'll just sort out the postage fees, but
moments later,
what we have to do is put our HKS jet tag on. So I've got the Bucky's keys and the Ford's keys. Well, I've got a lot of keys on one key, so the Ford's keys can come off for now, and then I will put the HKS jet tag on the Ford key. And now the Ford is the proud owner of the HKS jet tag, and we can put the remove before flight on the Bucky's keys. and the jet tag, and there we go. And then we tie all of these together with our hooks like that. But that looks sick. HKS, let's go.
The next day,
I always tend to choose to do videos on the brightest day, but what's up, your mad dogs? Today I'm doing something that I spoke about in a video a while ago. I'm finally putting in the bucket seats of the 1400, which is right behind me, and as you can see there's something on the back. I want you guys to guess what you think it could be that's on the back of the bucky. It is for the bucky, but we are putting in the seats today, so I'm going to get the bucky pulled into Tinus's garage. It's already open, and then we are going to take out the bench seat and put in the 2 bucket seats for the 1400. I know it's going to be a lot better when driving because with a bench seat you tend to slide around, but yeah, without stalling, let me get the bucky moved so we can install the seats. So just so you guys can see the current bench seat that is in. Oh, I gave a bit away. Yeah, the current bench seat that is in, it's got a bit of a tear. They used artificial leather. Hey guys, I just want to quickly show you the seat. I'm just busy cleaning them up. Yeah, the seats are really cool. 2 bucket seats made for Nissan 1400. This is what they look like. As I said, I'm just busy cleaning them. It's a nice little bucket seat. It's pretty cool because this backrest just sits below the window, and then when the headrest is on you don't really see it in the window, so I'm just going to clean these up quickly. Seats are nice and cleaned up. All the dust and everything has been removed, and yeah, now I'm going to pull in the bucky so that we can take out the bench sheet and start making the brackets for the new seats to go in. Yeah, the seat is in with 2 10 more. My idea is to use that hole there and then the other hole over here, right there, for the front mountings, and then we're going to build a mounting over there and over there, just for the back. So let's get the other seat in so we can get the positioning of the angle irons. Just like that. Now I think I got the seating position right. You can see it's a lot lower. Yeah, this feels comfortable. My bolt holes can move back slightly.
This must be very comfortable.
There we go. I think just like that. We'll put them in. Hey guys, this is the driver's side. So as you see, we used angle iron, flat bore, and some ground tube to make the brackets, and then it bolts into the bucky with these 2 holes right there. So put this one in. The passenger side is in already. So let's get it installed.
So guys, that is how it looks. That passenger side is in. Now we just need to put some bolts in.
Got my little windsock on for my microphone. It just came out. It is sunset time, you know guys, that's my favorite time of the day, but we actually ended up finishing off installing the seats, getting the brackets done. So I'm just going to get a few clips for you guys of the bucky with the new seats. They look absolutely sick, they fit very well, and yeah, that's very impressive. And compared, well, I think with the purple steering wheel that's new, I just need to put the carpet back. We're still going to dye that. Here's the seats, all installed. They look absolutely sick. Now it's just to do the carpet and the door panels, and we're all set. It is the next morning. The bucky is right behind me. I hope you guys enjoyed the little short cinematic sequence of what the seats look like. Definitely makes a benefit in regards to how well you fit in the seats and how little you slide around now. I just need to dye the carpet, as I said. We are going to do an additional few things to the bucky today. We're going to put in the new door lock handle for the driver's side so the car can actually lock, and then I want to attempt to get into dyeing the carpet so that I can let that dry and install that, so the bucky will be complete.
Memphis, man.